Ultimate Urban Survival Paracord Bracelet. Aloha everyone and welcome back to the Alpha One982, your YouTube channel. My name is Dale and today we're gonna make this beautiful 15-in-1 Ultimate Survival Paracord Bracelet. So if you wanna learn how to make it, stay tuned because tutorial is right around the corner. So for today's project we're gonna need 3 meters in the metric measurements or 10 feet of this black paracord 550, also 10 feet or again 3 meters of this blue paracord or sky blue paracord 550, and 1 compass and this multi-purpose survival paracord buckle. As you can see here, we have the compass on it, we have the panic whistle or a signaling whistle as you wish, and inside we have the ferro rod or flint, and here we have the small knife or cutting blade. Let me just zoom a bit so you can clearly see this survival buckle. After you insert the ends of a buckle in the paracord jig or a rig, take the ends of a cord, this blue one, and find the center of it like this, and then simply insert from the one side. So you're gonna insert it from the top like that to the back or to the bottom as you wish, and then through this loop here you're gonna pull up the cord, the rest of the cord. And you're gonna create the cow hitch. So that's the first cow hitch. Now take the black paracord, do the same thing you did with the blue one. So now here I wanna show you the important thing when you're making the cow hitch with the black paracord. So you need to take it and insert the end of the cords from the bottom to the top like this, and the important thing is that you make through this loop of the blue paracord, make the cords through this loop here. So take it and insert it through next to the blue one like this, and through the black one like so. So your cords will be even. Do the same thing with the other one. So as you can see, by doing this we created the almost one cow hitch with the well adjacent cords, 2 blue in the middle and 2 black outside. So now we can reattach the buckle into the jig and start making this paracord bracelet. So here, after we insert the one end of a bracelet into the buckle and into the jig, we're gonna put the paracord compass onto these cords like this, and we're gonna insert the ends through the other side of a buckle from the top to the back like that. Now we're gonna take this black one Let me just zoom a bit so you can clearly see, like that. Okay, now this black one without the blue one, this ends of a blue, we're gonna take it and make it on top, through the middle, and through the loop here. By doing this, we're gonna secure our blue and the black paracord from the sides, as you can see. And do the same with the left one. So on top, through the middle, and through the loop here. One more thing, guys, before we continue, please, on the end of this tutorial, if you like it, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, don't forget to subscribe, it's free and that way you're helping us to continue making the paracord tutorials, and of course don't forget to click on that bell so you will be alerted every time we post the new video. Now that being said, let's start with this blue ends, left and right. Take one end and make it under these first two cords, so under, and then through the middle and over, like that. Do the same thing with the left one, so under and over, like that. Now take this right strand of a blue, make it through the middle, and then through this loop on the right side. Like so. And do the same thing with the left one, so through the middle and on the loop of the left side. Now pull it all to make it tight, and we're finishing the first knot of this Survival Paracord Bracelet. Now take the right strand, under, over, left one also under and over, and now the blue through the middle and through the right loop, and the same thing with this one. And now, when you reach the halfway to the bracelet, you need to reattach it from the jig and measure if this compass is right on your wrist, on the center where it looks like a watch, so you're fine. Stop there, and then we're gonna create the loops around the compass that will handle them in the spot in the middle. So take the black one, make it on top of the edge of a compass like this and make it under those two strands and over. So we're doing the weave like we done before, but now it will be the larger one because it needs to fit the compass. Take the left one and make it also under and over like we did before. So here we have two holding cords. Now we need to insert the blue one, so take it and make it under and over. And through the loop here on the right side, like so. We're gonna do the same thing with the left one, so under, over, and through the loop here. Now pull it to make it tight. So that's it. Now continue. Under, over, under, over. And we almost reached the end here, so I want to show you something else. As you can see here, we have the one layer or one strand of black. It's actually that what we made on the start, the two loops, but looks like one, as you can see. Now we're gonna do the same thing here. So we have the one black also. So I'm gonna take it and this black one, put it on the blue one like this. Take the screwdriver and simply make the black on top of the blue like that, and now finish the final weave into the hole here. So take the black one from the bottom, insert it, If you need, you can take the paracord needle or thread to insert the last piece of cords and finish it. And here, now you can clearly see what I meant with the neat finishing of the bracelet. So as you can see here, what I was talking about, the black cord on top of the blue one, and the same and looking like this one here. So the bracelet is neatly done. I hope you agree. If you like this project, please give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, don't forget to subscribe. Of course, hit that bell next to the subscribe button so you will be always informed when we put out the new tutorial. Now I'm left just to cut off the excess of a cord, melt it down and finish the bracelet, so stay tuned until the end. Here we are, the bracelet is finished. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, subscribe to stay in touch with the new ones, and of course, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best. Dale signing out. See ya, bye.